Hey guys, this is Keiji Matsumoto and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, just click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be updated for my next video. So for today's vlog is quick unboxing na naman ako for my underwear haul. It's a Calvin Klein, it's 3 pieces. I've done this before but unfortunately after that, I'm not confident with my body anymore since I just arrived home from my vacation, like 3 days vacation, and I really prepared that vacation, like I work out a lot, diet. So this is the result, but unfortunately it's like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 5 days no workout, but still thank God I still have my abs, I still have my body. So this is me right now. 5 days no workout, 5 days no cardio, just keep on eating, but still I still get a strong abs. So right now I grabbed the opportunity to underwear haul or unboxing this new Calvin Klein underwear. It's from Euro. It's 39.95 Euro. It costs 39.95 euros. So galing sa labas to. Shout out to my friend. So it's just 3 pieces, the blue, the black, and the red. So let's try to unbox this one and show to you if this is really bagay sa akin. So let me judge. So you're gonna judge me if anong bagay sa akin na kulay. So let's not gonna make it too long because the sunlight, didilim na siya dito, so I'm gonna wear this one in front of you guys. So let's unbox this one. So already did this photo shoot a while ago, so it's already open. And I gotta show you after this video my photo shoots and my video. So first one, it's blue. Yeah, it's boxer brief. So let's try to wear this one. So naka double brief ako guys para ma-report ni YouTube. So this one, ang ganda ng fit sa akin, bagay. So okay lang, di ba? So I need to work out more my legs, so it will be proportion to my shoulder. So this is me wearing the blue strap. I like it. So let's try the other one. It's red. I really love red. I love Calvin Klein brief guys, but unfortunately some of my Calvin Klein underwear before was already overused. The garter here, the straps was already ruined. So let's try this red. I love red. It's attractive. So still like it. So what do you think? Blue, red? Ganda ba? I'm sorry about the pearl because I need to put my condenser mic here. So what do you think? Do I look sexy? So let's try the other one. Here, the back. I love the cloth. It's kinda comfortable. But I hope if you're gonna wear this every day, the garter will gonna get damaged after prolonged use. So just wear it in some other day occasions or something, because it looks more cool if it still look new. So this is it, the red. Last color we're gonna put on is the black. I love all black. It's sexy and it's classy. So this is the classic fit of Calvin Klein, and I really love Calvin Klein, guys. So let's wear or try on the last brief. I love all black. It's sexy. I was just wondering, like, I don't have workout for 5 days, but still my bodies keep cooperating. I still have this 6-packs, abs, my chest. Promise, swear to God, don't do workout or do my abs workout at home or at the beach. Like, I rested 5 days, keep on eating, cheating, but still there. I do my mukbang yesterday, last night, and that is 5 cups of rice, pastel, but still I have this body. But I promise, guys, tomorrow, Monday, I'll be working out again, more intense, more hardcore workout and diet. So for the next travel vlogs for my beach, I'll improve my body, so I'll get more leaner and shredded. So this is the last boxer brief of Calvin Klein, and I swear I like it. So this is my back. So what do you guys want? The blue, the red, and the black. So that's all for my vlog, guys. Check out my BTS video, my photo shoots for this underwear at the end of this vlog. So guys, that's all from my vlog. If you guys like it, don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be updated for my next video, and don't forget to click like and share. So if you have some comments, suggestion, clarification, division, multiplication, addition, just put your comments down below in the comment section so I will reply you all. So see you guys again next vlog. Just keep on subscribing, supporting me, and I'll do my mukbang later for the BTS meal. So see you guys again next vlog. Bye bye. Peace, love. You want my 6-packs abs? Flexing is all you want. So that's it. Love you guys. Bye bye.